Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand the difference between the V-belt drive system and the flat belt drive system. We will understand the difference between the V-belt drive system and the flat belt drive system. The first difference is distance preference. Next, flat belts are recommended for long distance power and motion transmission. Next, V-belts are preferred for short to medium distance power and motion transmission. The second difference is speed reduction. Next, slip in flat belts also limits the achievable speed reduction, reaching up to a 1:4 ratio. Next, V-belts can achieve higher speed reduction ratios, up to 1:7. The third difference is stepped pulley compatibility. Next, with a stepped pulley system, flat belts can be shifted from one diameter pulley to another without stopping the rotation. Next, V-belts cannot be used in a stepped pulley system, as shifting between pulleys is unfeasible. The fourth difference is construction complexity and cost. Next, flat belts and their corresponding pulleys have a simpler construction, making them cheaper. Next, V-belts and their pulleys have a more complicated design, which makes them costlier. We will understand the difference between the V-belt drive system and the flat belt drive system. The fifth difference is cross-section design. Next, a flat belt has a rectangular cross-section, with the width being significantly larger than the thickness. Next, V-belt features a trapezoidal cross-section, where the wider side is nearly the same as the thickness. The sixth difference is construction. Next, flat belts are joined, hinged, which can cause vibrations and noise during operation. Next, V-belts are continuous, endless, leading to smoother and quieter operation. The seventh difference is surface contact. Next, in a flat belt drive, only one surface of the belt makes contact with the pulleys. Next, V-belt drive allows for two side surfaces of the belt to be in contact with the pulleys. The eighth difference is power transmission. Next, the power transmission capacity of a flat belt is comparatively lower due to a greater likelihood of slippage. Next, V-belts can transmit more power without slipping because of their increased friction. We hope everyone understands the difference between the V-belt drive system and the flat belt drive system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.